Okay, you guys, I was not gonna film today because it's just been one of those days where Gideon's just been screaming, crying, refusing to nap. It is currently 2 o'clock and all I've been doing the whole time is sitting here playing with him, walking around with him all over the apartment. Tried laying down with him when he started rubbing his eyes. He started screaming, crying, got all sweaty. Started trying to climb everything, and then every time I would try to lay him down, he would just scream. And if you guys don't watch the other videos or haven't watched the other videos where we talk about how he doesn't like the crib, we never put him in the crib. The crib for him is kind of like a timeout. And he's probably been used a handful of times since he was been born. He's about to be 10 months tomorrow. So it got to a point where I just got so frustrated because I still have all the dishes back there. I have a mess here. I have clothes all over the room. I have clothes in the washer that have been there for like 3 days now. And just anxiety just kicking in. I haven't cooked dinner yet. I haven't been able to vacuum. I haven't been able to do anything because as soon as I get up where I leave him by himself, he screams. So finally I said, you know what, I'm just gonna put him in his crib. I know he's not gonna sleep because he won't go to sleep. He'll just stand there and look like he's in prison. And then eventually he just starts screaming because he wants to get out. So instead of not filming, I'm just gonna keep it real with you guys and show you guys. I wish I would have shown you guys when he was screaming and crying, but I was so frustrated that all I was trying to think is like just calming him down. So y'all are about to see the realness. I'm about to show y'all what he looks like in the crib. Do not judge. Like I said, I haven't done anything today. I haven't been able to do anything. So you'll see what I'm talking about, what mess it is in there. So I'll show you guys what he looks like. Haven't been able to do the bed. Have clothes all over here. Have clothes in that corner. And there he is. Yep. He will just stand there and pretty much cry whenever he's ready to get out. He just stands there. He does not try to lay down. He thinks it's funny whenever you look at him in there, but he will not sleep. He will just hang out in there, and as soon as you leave the room or if he doesn't hear you, he'll start crying and screaming. But he won't go to sleep, and I've tried turning on the sound machine. I've tried doing everything like that. He won't go to sleep, and it's dark in here. So yeah, and he thinks it's funny. He thinks it's so funny to give mama the business. So what I'm gonna do, since he's like calm right now and I think he can see me from the kitchen while I'm washing dishes, so I think I'm just gonna go and try to at least wash the dishes and get I'm planning on cooking my tortellini chicken soup because we got that humidifier yesterday and it's supposed to be like cool mist, but Gilbert said that his throat hurt from having it on, and my throat kind of hurts too. I don't know what it was, but the thing is, it worked for Gideon because he woke up feeling better and he slept better. Obviously still not through the night, he still woke me up every 2 hours, but he wasn't crying like in pain where he wanted to get up. He was crying more of just feeding me like he normally does and goes back to sleep. So I'm gonna make soup because I think it'll be good for everybody. If he cries, I'm gonna let you guys hear it because I feel like you guys think he's so happy all the time and it's like he's not. He doesn't let me do anything. I'm sure you guys can hear him. He's been crying since I started washing dishes. But when I say like this little boy cries, like it's not whenever he cries, as soon as he cries, I go pick him up. He never is let to cry ever. And that's why me and Gilbert kind of argue sometimes, because there's times where he cries and I immediately go pick him up and he's like, no, you need to like kind of let him. And I just can't concentrate. I can't focus. I can't do anything when he's crying. And no, it's not because he's sick. This is every single day. And the reason why he's so cranky is because he's only supposed to be awake at like 2 to 3 hours. And he will not nap all day. He will fight it and fight it and fight it. No matter what we try, he just doesn't want to sleep. And that's why he gets to this point where he's so angry and so cranky. And I'll probably go pick him up and he's gonna be fine. He's gonna act like nothing is wrong. He's been up since 10. It is 2:30. So you can only imagine why he's so angry. But I'm gonna go get him, try to put him in his bumbo if he doesn't want to sleep while I cook, because I have to get things done. Like I have to do stuff today. Or else my anxiety is gonna kill me. So let's go get him. What's wrong? You ready to get out? Are you ready to get out? I know. It's because you're supposed to sleep. That's why you're so cranky. You're supposed to sleep. You okay? You okay? Are you gonna go help me cook dinner? Yeah? You're gonna help me cook dinner? You gonna help Mama? Huh? Are you being a faker? Are you being a faker? See what I mean? He's fine. He just doesn't want to be in there by himself. I just give in. But hopefully, I'll sit him in his bumbo and I'll try to get dinner started, and maybe he'll be tired by the time I get everything going. I'm about to, so last night we had tortellini with ground beef and spaghetti sauce. And so I'm heating it up because I haven't eaten anything all day. Because I haven't had a chance to eat anything all day, which this normally happens. Sometimes I go all the way up to like when Gilbert gets here without eating anything. But today I was like, I'm just gonna eat something. He cries. He literally stopped crying as soon as I turned on the camera. So I'm gonna eat, and then since I opened the package of the tortellini, that's why I'm making the tortellini soup. But you can literally use any pasta you'd like. So I'll show you guys what my pasta looks like. Okay guys, so Gideon just woke up from his nap. Yes, he's in a much better mood because he needs sleep, and that's why we get so cranky. He only napped because I was holding him. So hey, anything to get him to go nap. I think he was just so tired. But anyway, so he just woke up and it's so late. It's 4:40 and I'm just now starting dinner and I'm making soup. But since Gilbert gets here late, it should be fine. So I just wanted to show you guys what I did so far. So I make my own chicken stock or chicken broth for my soup. So if it's not enough, I always have some chicken broth to just add on there. But the last time that I made it, it was enough. I might have less this time because I'm making it in a smaller pot. But pretty much all I have so far is breast, onion, and some celery sticks in there. So pretty much what we're gonna do is we're just gonna let it boil. We're gonna let it boil until the chicken becomes super tender. And then we're gonna go ahead and chop the veggies up. So I'll let you guys know once I get to that part. For now, we're just gonna let it boil. I usually put it on high heat, let it boil, and then once it starts boiling, I lower it down a little bit and then just let it kind of slowly cook, and then wait till the, like I said, till the chicken breasts are pretty much falling apart. Eat your apple. Yeah, we're gonna eat our apples. Nom 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 nom. There we go. Being healthy. So the chicken is done. So those are the chicken breasts and they're fully cooked. I checked them and they're very tender. And then this is a broth. It still has the celery sticks and the onion in there. Gideon, we caught you giving me the business today. And it was just like 5 minutes of it. 5 minutes of it. I need to get a full day of it. He's very into the show.
That's not enough money for me. This is fun, but I don't want to be a rapper. I just want to have fun doing it.
Oh man.
I don't want to be the greatest.
These grilled cheeses though.
I am gonna dig into each one of them grilled cheeses. How many did you make?
3.
That looks like about 10.
Because I cut them in half. So this is what the soup looks like. I am hungry. Think we're ready to eat.
We ready to eat, baby? Mike's not working.
He's always staring at Mike.
Mike is not in.
I'm slamming like Shaquille.